Hey guys, what's up? It's James with Diecast. We're gonna do an unboxing video of the 2020 K case for you tonight. We've got it right here, L2593 979K. The K signifies the K case of this year. This is the 10th mix of this year. So you go A to K, forget the I, get rid of the I. They don't count the I. It confuses people with the number one. So we're gonna get right into opening this here for you guys. The super treasure hunt in this should be the 57 Chevy if we're lucky enough. And the regular treasure hunt, I believe, is the 56 Ford pickup truck. So let's just get right into this case here. Show you guys what we got. Looks like this first batch, a couple of those are repeats from the J case. You've got the Gladiator there, the Jeep Gladiator. You've got the 67 Shelby there, and you've got the 68 Shelby there. Let's get into the second little row here. We've got two of the Porsche 911 GT3s and the Lambo, which was the Super in the previous case. So those are both repeats from the J case, guys. Let's see, here we go. We got another regular Lambo there. You've got a Humvee on the bottom, which is also a repeat from the previous case. And you got the Night Dragon there in the middle, the Night Dragon. All right, let's get into the next three here. You've got the new one here is the Audi R5 Coupe, black there. You've got the Prelude, which is sweet out of that J case. Everybody's looking for those Preludes. And again, another Gladiator there, another Jeep Gladiator there, so in red. Here we go. We've got a 57 Plymouth Fury. That was also from the previous case. You got the Mad Props coming out again here. And you've got the definitely sought after here, the 2000 Toyota 2000 GT with the Tokyo card there, the Tokyo 2020 card with Karate Kumate there on it. And look at that sweet color there on that Toyota. All right, the next three here in the case. You got a Velocita and a Croc Rod, and also the 90 Acura in a red there. Looks very similar to the Target Red from a few years ago. So let's see what else we got in here. The next three are all new to this case. You've got the Shelby Cobra 427 there. Look at that bad boy. It looks neat. And then you've got the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo with the Japanese police livery on it. And then you've got the 57 Chevy Rod Squad there. 57 Chevy Rod Squad. That is not a Super. That is the regular. You can tell by the flat paint on it. It's not the Spectra Flame paint. The next three, here we go. We've got the 2018 Honda Civic, which is also a repeat from the previous case. You've got the 68 Shelby again. And then we've got the regular from this case. The regular treasure hunt. The custom 56 Ford pickup truck there. Pretty neat looking. I like that guy right there. That's a neat looking one with the crazy wheels. Next, we've got the 2018 Ford Mustang GT and also the Beat All there. The Beat All. Next here, the next three. Oh, we've got the Batcopter. Got the Batcopter and the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster and a BMW Z4. Check those out. Look at that Batcopter. Look at that new Lambo and that new BMW there. This case has got some fire in it, guys. I'm liking what I'm seeing in this case here. Let's see what we got next here. Oh, yeah, look at this. 86 Monte Carlo SS. That is going to be highly sought after right there. The 86 Monte Carlo. Another BMW there. BMW Z4M Motorsport. Cool looking little BMW there. And then on the bottom there, we've got the Hot Wheels 450F, little motorbike there. But man, look at that Monte Carlo. That's definitely going to be one of the faves out of this case. Let's see, what do we got next here, guys? We've got another Mustang, 2018 Mustang, a Jaguar. Those are repeats. And then we've got the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster again there on the bottom. Check out that Roadster, guys. Let me show you a little better picture of that Roadster there. Nice looking Lamborghini there. I know you guys will be looking for that one. All right, we're halfway done, guys. We got to pull the insert out here, as we always do in these cases. In the next section there, we got the Veloci Racer, the Manga Tuner, and the La Fasta. Look at that little Manga Tuner there in purple. I like that thing. It was in the previous case, but I don't think that little car ever gets old. Cool little car there, guys. The next three we've got here, we've got two custom autos. There was one in the J case, and then a Chrysler Pacifica, which was also repeated. I do like the color and the wheels on that custom auto, guys. I do like that. I think it looks good. Your next three here, we've got Grand Cross and a convertible 69 Camaro. Grand Cross and the convertible 69 Camaro. Let me show you a little closer. Look at that 69 convertible Camaro there. It's a little bit sleeker than the previous convertibles, I believe. The stance looks a little sleeker than what I remember. So I'm a Camaro guy. The next three here, we've got the Roger Dodger 2.0, the Range Rover Velar in a new color, and the Shelby Cobra 427. We did see that Shelby Cobra in the first half of the case, so there's a second one. I do like the Range Rover Velar. That is nice. That is nice. There you go. Next three, we've got the 2019 Audi R8 Spider, and then the Bone Shaker. That Bone Shaker was actually the ID car in the J case. If you got lucky enough to get the ID car there in the previous case, that Audi looks pretty cool there. Pretty cool, guys. Next up, we've got the Ernstine Rod and the Big Air Bel Air. The Big Air Bel Air. And then we've got the custom Cadillac Fleetwood in a recolor there. It was green previously. We've got the blue. Take a look at those. That Bel Air looks cool. Big Bel Air. The next three here, I think the noticeable one here will be that Toyota Tundra. Look, they brought the 2010 Toyota Tundra back out. At the bottom there, you got the Too Tough, and then you got another Bone Shaker there. I'll show you a little bit better picture of this Tundra. Man, I like that thing. That thing looks sweet. Look at that Toyota Tundra. That'll be another one people will be looking for there, guys. Next three here, we've got another Velo Racer, a Formula E Gen 2 car, and a Circle Tracker. Go, guys. Getting down toward the bottom here. Yeah, I like this Toyota 2000 GT. That Tokyo card on it, man. Look at that. Got a couple of repeats from the J case there. Got the gasser there, the 64 Nova gasser, which everybody loves. Getting down, got a few left here. We've got a 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class and the custom 01 Acura. The Benz is new to this case. It is a recolor. It was white previously. Let's see. What else do we got here, guys? We've got two Dodge Chargers here, a 71 and a 69 Dodge Charger, and another Audi there. I think we had the Audi earlier, the Audi R5 Coupe. Yeah, let's take a better look at this 69 Dodge Charger. Look at that in the purple with the flames, guys. Wow. That is a pretty car there. That's a pretty car. And then you've got the 71 Dodge Charger in the yellow. So, let's see. We're down to the last three cars, guys. Man, this case has been a good case. We've got another Big Air Bel Air, another Manga Tuner, and then might be one of some of you guys' favorites there, the Datsun 620. Look at that new Datsun 620 there. Man, that thing is pretty. It says JDM on the door. Another Datsun 620 in a flat red. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this case. There were definitely some highlights here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give us some likes and follows, and check out jcardiecast.com for all your diecast needs, guys.